Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is King Ejworld. I'm super excited to bring you a brand new video today. Now today's content, we're going to be talking about HFM versus Exness. Now the broker you trade is very important, and at the end of this video I'm going to introduce you to a new broker that I'm working with that can help you scale up in your trading game. Now brokers are very important. If you're going to be successful in the market, you need to have a good broker. Now I'm going to be showing you different brokers, their spreads, their commissions, and how you can navigate trading with these brokers who just want to take your money. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Let's go right ahead to the charts. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we're talking about brokers. Now right here I have a live Exness account, and right here we have a live HFM account. Now we're going to be looking at the difference between Exness and HFM, and paying close attentions to their spreads, paying close attention to their commissions. Now, these are very important things when it comes to trading the market. If you're going to be successful in the market, you need to pay close attention. Now, first of all, let me enlighten you what a broker is. A broker is the middleman between the trader and the market. The broker offers the trader the functionalities to be able to enter into the market and trade successfully. Now, there are two types of brokers. There are A book brokers and there are B book brokers. Now, I think in another video, I'm going to explain this set of brokers and how they function and how the difference between the wholesale market and the retail market, right? Now, that being said, I want us to check something. Now, look at this. If I come to, this is the Euro USD chart, and I press Control M, right? Now here in Control M, I would be able to see all the, I say show all, right? It's going to show all the active pairs. So this is Euro USD. Now, if we want to trade this, we would be able to know the spreads between the bid and the ask. Now, the Euro USD bid, right? And the Euro USD ask. Let's look at it. Let's say we come and we say uh view market depth, right? Oh, you know what? Let's just come here, click on this, and we can see the difference. Now for Euro USD, we see that it is 9628, 9628. So let's use a calculator and do this, right? 1.09628 minus 1.0990. Now, mind you, now these two accounts are zero spread accounts. Yes, just supposedly supposed to be zero spread accounts. So let's see. So the spread here is just about uh less than about 4 pips. So we can say 4 pips if we're taking out the last zero, about 4 pips, right? Because you gotta multiply this by 100 and it gives you 4 pips, right? Right? Now, this is for HFM. Now, HFM, let's have it down. HFM, we have HFM at 4 pips, right? So we have HFM at 4 pips. 4 pips. Okay. Now let's see Xnex. Now, this may not really matter until you are trading gold, which we're going to look at, and you're trading BTC, right? And then you now understand that the broker is ripping you up. Now let's see Xnex, okay? Now let us go to, you do Control M and you say all, show all. Shows everything, all the active pairs. Now you remember this is a weekend, so relatively markets, the spread should be the broker is closed, but the market is still active, and it's going to be giving you the latest spreads as of the moment, even though the market is the broker is closed. So let's see, Euro USD, Euro USD, it's Euro USD, Euro USD, Euro USD. I think I'm just gonna find it from here. Forex group has a lot of pairs, a lot of pairs. So let's see Euro USD. Where can't I find Euro USD? Mm, Euro, okay, found. Beautiful. Now, what do we have here? We have 1.09632 minus 1.09654. Now, do this. Now, remember, these are all supposedly supposed to be zero spreads. Now, see this, this is 0.22 pips. So about 22 pips for Euro USD. Now, let's see. Now, these are supposed to be zero spread accounts, zero spread accounts. These are all zero spread accounts. The same category of pairs for Euro USD and the same category of pairs for uh uh the same category of pairs for you know or for HFM. Okay. Now let's look at BTC. Let's look at something more exotic. I was replying somebody of my right here. So BTC, 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 BTC. Where's BTC, guys? Okay, so let's go up. I think if we go up, we'll be able to find it for BTC. So already you can see HFM is winning. HFM is winning. Now, this is something I was trying to tell someone the other day that because Exness is so large, they are taking a whole lot of spreads. They're taking a whole lot of spreads. That's why you'll notice that in as much as HFM, Xnex has what is called the unlimited leverage, that comes with a downside because of their slippages, their spreads is really ridiculous. Like it's crazy. It's literally crazy the spreads they take. So let's see BTC. Let's see BTC. And that's why we are one of the official partners of HFM in Nigeria. And I'm also going to be introducing you to a new broker which we'll compare next week. So let's just take the random number because you know the numbers are changing with BTC. 972.68. Let's see. Now, this is about 51 pips for BTC, right? Now this is for Xnex. Now let's go HFM. Okay, let's go HFM. Let's go see HFM active trades on HFM, right? And you're gonna see that HFM is cheaper, both in even in stocks. HFM is cheaper. So let's go check it. Let's go. Crypto. ETFs, metals, indices, commodities, bonds, ETFs. Where is it? You need to find crypto. You need to find BTC. So amazingly, I have never really traded BTC on HFM before. So I'm not really sure if they have it. I don't think they have it. I don't think they have crypto. I don't think they have crypto. Okay, so let's compare gold. So guys, let's compare gold. Let's see gold. Let's see gold if they have gold. Definitely they do have gold. Metals. Okay. XAU. Where's XAU, guys? Din, 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 din. Din, 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 din. It should be somewhere, so we're gonna find it. Uh, yes, found. XAU gold. Now let's see. We have 3,370.43. And we have 3,300 3,037.53, right? So let's see the difference. So 3,037.43 minus 3,037.53. Now, this is roughly somewhere around, you know, straight out 10 pips, right? Now, let's see Xnext, which I can tell you is going to be. So let's see Xnext. I can tell you for a fact that Xnext is going to be crazy, right? So let's see. Let's come check it out. Metals, energy, where is it? This is stocks, forex. It's not there. So let's look for it. XAU USD. Okay. Now see, this is it. So let's do the calculation. Now remember, HFM was 10 pips, right? HFM was 10 pips. So let's see what Xnext is. 0.506 minus 3038.746. You see? Double 24 pips, right? Easily see that Xnext spreads are far higher than HFM spreads. And that's why I tell people now I personally I have had this attachment for Xnext, because they're one of the longest partnering companies I have worked with in the last few years. So I have an attachment for them. What I would advise, if you're trading HFM, go for the zero spread account. Zero spread accounts for HFM is way, way cheaper than the zero spread accounts for Xnext, right? Now, drum roll. Brrr. The next broker I want to introduce you to is an amazing broker, you know, called, I want to show you what these guys are. We call them XX Assex markets. Assex market. Now, next week, I'm going to be trading HFM. I'll fund my HFM account and I'm going to be trading HFM. Now, Assex markets is the new broker that I am also going to be adding up. Xnex is a dying, I would say a dying brand, but they are fast going away. And I think that they're not going to be as productive as what they were once, in the last few years. So this broker is a new broker. I've tested their withdrawals. I've tested very quick their withdrawals. I've tested quite a number. I've traded with them quite a number of times. If you notice, you can see some deposits I have made and some withdrawals I have made as well, right? Just testing to make sure that everything is what it is. So it's been 1 week of testing this broker and knowing how productive they are. They have good spreads, they have good commissions, and I think they are pretty, 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 pretty good. And you see, for like a week, I was testing them with $10, $20, and making withdrawals, making just quick flips, and seeing how productive they were. So SX Markets, a new broker that I'm introducing, pretty amazing broker. Now, finally, if you want to join our team, you want to learn how to trade, join the links down below and get started. Join the links down below and get started. And I am giving free mentorship for the next 30 days at King Ejworld Mentorship because Q2 is going to be the most productive year in the financial markets. There's a whole lot of opportunities we're going to have in Q2. So get ready, get excited. And join the groups down below. I hope this video was a bit productive and you're able to understand the difference, what's going on in the market, and how Exness is choking all of us with amazing spreads. There are other things I wanted to compare in this video, but I don't want this video to be too long, like commissions. Like I've also tested commissions in Assex. They are literally zero commissions. Zero commissions. I've tested commissions in HFM, relatively cool, but Xnex commissions are ridiculous. All right. So Xnex was a brand that I have always worked with in the last few years, but right now, come on, guys. If they're not doing out what they're supposed to do, I'll be the first to call them out. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Smash that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this video with somebody, and I hope you enjoyed it.